in any other way is open doors to chaos and anarchy. During the annual general meeting of Nakuru Catholic Diocese that comprises priests from Baringo and Nakuru County at St. Mary's Pastoral Center, I was shocked to see Madam Governor giving misleading information and lying to the holy men of God on the status of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. The body language and the several brings from your... I did a petition that was on 7th December, and I'm so happy. I want to thank the health committee because they've already asked the governor to present the documents and to prove whatever I petitioned at the Senate, whatever, whether there is anything she can say. I'm not saying, I mean, whatever I'm saying, whether it's correct or it's not correct. So she's given that space. But at the moment, what is now frustrating the people of Nakuru is that the courts have ruled that the hospital will be opened as we wait for the court to confirm about the owner of the land, or whether the lease that was acquired, which we, according to the documents that I have on my desk, is that the documents are official, the lease, a title, as an extension of 50 years, that was officially given. So meaning, we were supposed to be open to that hospital as we wait for all those, whatever in court, and even that the Senate is confirming of whatever we are saying is true. So that's why we are saying now we are demanding the hospital to be opened and as tomorrow. If it's not opened, the frustrations now with the people, I'm sorry to tell the governor, I think they've reached the peak now. Meaning now, they'll apply the Article 1 of the Constitution, which is the power belongs to the people. And me as their senator, I think I have no option but to comply with their demand. My office has continuously monitored and reviewed the latest occurrence at the Nakuru War Memorial Hospital, where Nakuru County Police Commander lied to Nyandarua Law Court on 20th February 2024 that he has removed the goons that were preventing the hospital management and patients from accessing the hospital to avoid being arrested as earlier directed by the Nakuru Law Court. Shockingly, when the management went back to the hospital, they found hundreds of uniformed police officers deployed, preventing the hospital management and the patients from accessing the facility. The police who were illegally deployed confirmed that they are under firm instructions by the county police commander, Mr. Samuel Danyi, through our governor, to deny any access to both management and patients. Madam Governor, I want to remind you that when you took the oath of office, the words you swore were that you will do justice to all in accordance to the Constitution and the laws of Kenya without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. On Wednesday, 21st February 2024, during your State of Nakuru County address, while in Nakuru Assembly, you reaffirmed to abide by the rule of law. Are you doing justice when you refused to obey 6 court orders? Are you doing justice when over 300 healthcare workers are rendered jobless? Are you doing justice when thousands of patients from Nakuru County are seeking medication attention across the country? Are you doing justice when you send hundreds of county askaris to forcibly transfer patients who are on life-supporting machines against their will, which eventually led to loss of life? I want to remind you that court orders are not mere suggestions, opinions, or mere points of view. To see it in any other way is open doors to chaos and anarchy. During the annual general meeting of Nakuru Catholic Diocese that comprises priests from Baringo and Nakuru County at St. Mary's Pastoral Center, I was shocked to see Madam Governor giving misleading information and lying to the holy men of God on the status of Nakuru War Memorial Hospital. The body language and the several blinks from your eyes could tell you are struggling to make up a story to cover the truth. Obviously, the courts are not convinced by your story, hence the 6 court orders. The fact remains the lease was issued to the Nakuru War Memorial Hospital, a company limited by guarantee. That is the evidence available in court, and it is unchallenged so far. On the War Memorial Hospital land issue, there is no letter issued to the hospital management by the county of Nakuru with the intention to terminate the lease as required by the law. I want to firmly remind you that the story of our health system cannot be written without mentioning the Nakuru War Memorial Hospital because of its history and achievements it has made in rendering quality health care services to our great-grandparents, our grandparents, our fathers, ourselves, our children, and our great-grandchildren. Anyone attempting to destroy our county heritage must be called out. We shall always remain vigilant and protect all our county heritage at all costs, at all times, without fear. As a senator of Nakuru County, I'm afraid that my people's frustrations have reached fever pinch point, and I can feel their frustration. If nothing is urgently done to bring back our county to the rule of law, I'm afraid our people have been left with no options than to exercise the power given to them by Article 1 of the Constitution.
Namba yangu ni 0794 93 1650 ni 0794 93 1650.